Good morning, Mr. Life, Find Clarity Channel. I choose today the topic, how to educate yourself and your child to be on his own line. How to educate and what it means to be in your own line, and how can I help you to find a way to find your line in your life. Let me explain a little bit. And we see this on children. Every child has a very unique skill. Every child comes with a very special gift. And it comes according to his own nature, according to his own soul, inner being, that come to express himself in life. Naturally, he will want to go to do certain things. And his own will want to do this. And he will do this, and he will not gonna do this. Sometimes as an adult, as a parent, as a family, as a teacher, as a society, we influence on the child and take him out of his own line and tell him stories, be like this, like this. The right way to educate child is to find his own line by observing and watching him and support him his willing and his power to learning and grow in this area that he want to express himself in life. When he's child, it will be the toys that he's talking, that he's playing. It will be the book that he's reading. It will be the interesting subject that natural he will go and interesting them. If we know as adult to our children and for ourselves to support our natural line, it will be much more easy to grow people healthy, worthy, people who want to help the society, people who want and understand that life is processing of growing. And whatever happened you in your life and what part you are in the line, on your own line, you know that you are always growing. And even in time of crisis, a time of depression coming and life are not have mercy for nobody, life is life, we have to know and recognize our line. And especially today in this topic I want to talk, as adult, if we feel that we lost the line, we have to stop everything and start to come back to your line. But education in children, it's much more important and it's much more take tension. If we learn how to recognize in our children, in our grandchildren, where they are willing to go, where they are the natural things they are going, and we'll support them, we will grow healthy children with less conflict. The line is connect us between the low and the high. And we are running on this line up and down, up and down. And it's depend on us how much high we are going, and it's depend on us how much low we are diving down. By the understanding that even we are down and up and up and down, we are still on the line of life, the line of adventure, the life of growing, the life of development, and the life of challenge. When we are losing the line, we're losing something very special for us. And we have to do everything to support, to come back to the line. The line is coming in many aspects of life. Your line of your own food. Each one of us is supposed to know what is good for him and what is bad for him in food. You have enough experience to see when you're eating certain food, how it's impacting, when you eat other certain food, how it's impacting, if you eat a lot, if you eat too much sugar, every one of us. If we learn to tune up in our line, in our subject of the food that we have in life, in a subject in our career, that we're understanding what is our mission and what we are doing every day by our action, by our thoughts, to continue to create what we like in our line. Keep your line, recognize your line, understand your line, and help people to find their own line. I saw many people that everybody told them, hey, you can be an actor, you can be this, you can be this, but the person don't see that. Let's help our children to find their own lines, and let's us as adults not force them to be something that we want. Let them recognize who they are. Let them give them the freedom to experience life and develop their life by their own nature. Educate your child, educate yourself, but by according to your inner line. This topic brought you by Clarity Channel. To put clarity on the subject on your own line. Listen carefully for this word with an open heart and observe yourself and check how you follow your own line. And if not, organize your life by your own line. Nobody else can do this for you. For our children, we know that we can help them. Imagine yourself if there was forcing Messi not to play football and to be engineer. How humanity would lose something unique like his gift in football. Every child of us have this gift inside of her. Every child is a Messi. And every child have the potential to be Messi. It's up to us to recognize and understand the pole, the step by step, the progressing by growing. Support and educate your child for the experience that he will have in life. Teach them that life is a process of growing, of challenging, and it's fun. And at the same time, if we want the child will be himself, we have to support him to be in his own line. Help your child by observing and watching and recognize. Don't abuse the child to be something that he is not. Mr. Life, find Clarity Channel. Thank you.